From the beginning of time, people have been searching tremendously for an easy way shortcut to fat loss and to the secret of slim stomachs. Well, basically, who doesn't want an easy way out of the tedious weight loss process? A lot of trends have been materializing online, promising you weight loss in no time. I don't know if you tried them, but I doubt that most of these methods work out the way that they state they would. Things like special drinks that assure you fat loss to wraps around your stomach. Yeah, you heard right, wraps around your stomach. Or some secret fat-burning recipe that guarantees productive outcomes. Wait a second, don't get me wrong here. I'm not trying to confute such theories, I just want to give you a guaranteed method that works for sure. Unfortunately, it's not a shortcut or some magic trick. It's something rational that everyone should know about. Whether you believe it or not, the secret behind fat loss, as many studies have shown, lies in the expenditure of your total daily calories. Basically, what you have to do is to eat less and move more. In other words, burn more calories than you eat. And when that is combined with resistance training, be it lifting weights or any other exercise that causes muscles to contract, you will prevent the loss of lean muscle mass, ensuring as a result the loss of fat mass. Wait a second. What is lean muscle mass loss and how can it be prevented? Lean muscle mass loss is the loss of muscle mass instead of fat mass, which should definitely be avoided. Do not perform a low-intensity cardio, such as jogging on a treadmill, and focus on resistance training, following a certain diet, or even fasting for a specific amount of time. Stay in touch, since our next videos will be concerning these topics. Explaining this is quite easy. Your body is constantly searching for energy sources during any weight loss activity. And since you're not providing so by eating, the body gets its energy from fats. However, such fats will not be removed from specific spots in your body. So basically, no belly loss till now. At the end of the day, it all comes down to your daily energy balance. If you have performed a lot of resistance training, stopped eating carbs, or even fasted, you will not lose weight if you have consumed calories more than you have burned. Thank you for watching this video on our K.E.Y channel. If you have any questions, please leave it out in the comments below. And make sure to provide your experience with weight loss in the comments as well. And subscribe for more K.E.Y videos.